guys, welcome to the Twinsies. Today we're going to be rating these slimes. So I'm going to be rating this blue slime.
And I'm going to be rating this Bingsu pink slime.
And I'm going to be rating this freaking glossy.
And we did get some slime on there, so we can
Yeah.
rip it off.
But I got it from Sparkle Slime.
And I got mine from Fox.
By the way,
slime.
ZCO. By the way, guys, these are my slimes. These are my slimes, but we're going to be rating these. So, but I'm going to be rating my cotton candy. So it smells really good.
Let me
smell this.
Smells like cotton candy. Let me stretch it. Let's both stretch it to see how long
Okay,
it
3, 2, 1. Girl power! No, let's try and make a bubble with it.
Okay, I'm gonna. But I don't think.
Wait.
Make a bubble. 1 minute. Let me try to make one. Because I did big bubbles today, didn't I?
Yes, but I did bigger.
No, you didn't.
But I did.
Listen to the finger things, the snaps, whatever they're called, clicks.
You can't really hear him because my wrist is jumping around everywhere right now.
Hello.
But it sounds really good. But guys, yeah.
Listen to this.
But guys, look at this pink slime.
Look at this.
Look at this pink slime.
It's my turn, right? Right, let's get the tray out.
No, guys, let's rate the slime. What do you rate this, Ava?
I rate it a solid 7 out of 10.
I rate this a solid 9 out of 10 because it could have sprinkles or charms in it. It's a bit plain. So let's go into Ava's. So it's a pink Bingsu slime. Look, it's so good. It's so good for ASMR.
And it's got little teddy bear charms inside.
Yeah, it's got loads of things. Before I played with it and it kind of spiked me. It's kind of hurt.
What are you saying?
You can't really see anything, but
I'm going to do a big bubble. This is the ones that I do big bubbles with.
there's little teddy bears in it.
Yeah, watch this big bubble. Ah.
By the way, guys, we go on our knees because the camera are a bit short. This is it on our knees and this is off our knees. So we're a bit short, but let's just get off our knees.
Watch.
Let me play with it.
Let me do a big bubble. There's a bubble. Yeah, you can play with it.
Okay, so.
Bye-bye, guys.
Not now.
Bye. I'm disappearing in 3, 2, 1.
Guys, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.